In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add QR code in Jotform. By the end, you'll seamlessly add a scannable code to your form and make it point to exactly the information your audience needs. Start by opening your form in the Jotform form builder. From your dashboard, select the form you want to edit so you're looking at the live canvas with the toolbox on the left. That's the area where we'll pull in the QR feature. On the left, click Add Form Element to open the panel, then switch to the Widgets tab at the top. Widgets are pre-built enhancements that add extra functionality to your form, and the QR code option is included here. Use the search bar in the Widgets tab and type QR code. You'll see a widget specifically named QR code. Click it to insert it into your form. The widget appears on the canvas instantly, showing a placeholder QR image until you tell it what to encode. Now configure it. Click the QR code widget on the canvas, then click the magic wand icon to open widget settings. This panel controls what the QR will contain when someone scans it. You can choose a URL, plain text, a phone number, or an email. Each option behaves a little differently. A URL opens a web page in the user's browser, text displays a simple message on screen, a phone number prompts the device to dial, and an email opens the default mail app to start a new message. Pick the one that matches your goal. If you want to direct people to a site, paste the full link, including HTTPS. For text, keep it short and clear so the code stays easy to scan. For a phone number, use a standard format without extra symbols. For an email, enter a valid address you're comfortable using for incoming messages. As a quick example, pasting a website link is the fastest way to send people to a page with instructions, resources, or a downloadable file. A few practical tips. Shorter content generally produces a cleaner QR that scans faster, and complete URLs reduce errors on mobile devices. After entering your content, grab your phone's camera or a QR scanning app and scan the code right from your screen to make sure it opens exactly what you expect. If it doesn't, double check for typos or missing characters. And that's all there is to it. You've opened your form in Form Builder, found the QR code widget in the Widgets tab, added it to your form, and set the content in widget settings. Your form now includes a QR code that your audience can scan in seconds, making it effortless to guide them to the right place.